Portable neck fans are handy gadgets designed to keep you comfortable wherever you go. Novel, sure, but these personal cooling devices look like headphones, so you don't have to sport a geeky-looking contraption to stay cool in the sweltering heat. They have a wraparound design and circulate air upward toward your face and neck. Plus, neck fans are lightweight, and most have an estimated 10+ hours of battery life on a single charge. Considering the benefits, and the so not ideal alternative of donning a drippy washcloth, neck fans are a great purchase to make before summer travel, whether you're sightseeing in a city or camping in the backcountry. But they're just as useful for day-to-day to wear as you sit in a stuffy home office, run errands in humid weather, or even working out. Point being, the best neck fans are a far cry from an amusement park souvenir. They're durable, practical, and you can grab one for about $30. Number 1. Toros Coolify Wearable Neck Fan. If you're looking for maximum cooling, consider this neck fan from Toros. It's designed with cooling technology to actually reduce skin temperature around your neck by up to 12 degrees, thanks to a built-in semiconductor cooling chip. The Toros also features a long-lasting battery, fast USB-C charging, bladeless design, and 3 fan speeds. While it is the most expensive option on our list, its features and excellent cooling capability make it worth the money. The Coolify utilizes advanced semiconductor cooling technology to provide rapid and efficient cooling. This cutting-edge feature ensures you stay cool and comfortable, even in the hottest conditions. With a bladeless design, the Coolify offers a safe and quiet cooling experience. No more worrying about hair or clothing getting caught in fan blades. The bladeless fan is ideal for children and pets, ensuring safety and peace of mind. Upgrade your personal cooling experience with the Toros Coolify Portable Neck Fan. Stay cool, comfortable, and hands-free wherever you go. Number 2. SIF Power Wearable Neck Fan. The SIF Power Neck Fan offers high-quality cooling with its 78 air vents and turbofan blades that generate airflow to your face and neck. The lightweight band and low noise level make it comfortable to wear for long periods, lasting as long as an estimated 16 hours on its lowest setting, though only 3 hours on high speed. That said, it's still an excellent option, plus it has 3 gears to adjust the sound of the fan, and features a sleek design. Forget about replacing batteries. The SIF Power Portable Neck Fan comes with a built-in rechargeable battery, and it can be easily powered up using any USB port. Enjoy up to several hours of cooling on a single charge. Weighing in at just a few ounces, this neck fan is designed for maximum portability. Take it with you anywhere, to the office, gym, park, or while traveling. It's the perfect companion for any activity. So, stay cool and comfortable wherever you go with the SIF Power Portable Neck Fan. Order yours today and experience the difference of hands-free, bladeless cooling. Number 3. Jisoo Life Portable Neck Fan. This Jisoo Life Portable Neck Fan is lightweight, with no blades and 78 air outlets around the neck band so you can really cool off. The fan has 3 speeds, a solid battery life, and a comfortable fit for all-day use. It even comes at an affordable price under $40 at the time of writing. It's constructed from plastic and silicone and features single-button operation, fast USB-C charging, and a powerful dual-sided turbine motor. If you're looking for a no-frills neck fan that provides good airflow for most activities, this option from Jisoo Life will do. The leafless design ensures safe and quiet operation. Without exposed blades, it's safe for use around children and pets, and the noise reduction technology makes it ideal for use in quiet environments like offices or libraries. Perfect for both men and women, this stylish dark green fan is a great gift idea. Whether you're commuting, exercising, or simply relaxing at home, the Jisoo Life Neck Fan is your go-to companion for staying cool. Number 4. Sweetful Portable Neck Fan. The Sweetful Portable Neck Fan delivers long-term comfort according to several user reviews. The fan features a decent battery life, bladeless design, and multiple fan speeds. It's also super quiet, with some users saying they don't notice the sound while wearing it. Other highlights include the lightweight design and an extra padded neckband for comfort, though the battery life could be better. At its highest setting, this neck fan only lasts roughly 4 hours. Hands-free design and stylish, this wearable neck fan resembles a headset, offering a chic look while keeping you cool in hot weather. Whether you wear it around your neck or discreetly carry it in your bag, it's perfect for maintaining makeup and staying comfortable. Long battery life and adjustable speeds, with a built-in 4000 mAh rechargeable battery, this personal neck fan runs for 4 to 9 hours on different speeds. Easily adjust the fan speed using the power button for customized comfort. Number 5. Delmac Portable Neck Fan. Delmac's neck fan needs only 3 hours of charging to last up to an estimated 20 hours. The bladeless design has 60 air holes that wrap around the band to circulate air around your neck and face. The silicone band can flex to fit comfortably and is lightweight enough to wear for long periods of time. It's quiet on its lowest setting, though some customers noted it can be noisy on its highest. Still, many reviews say the lowest setting provides sufficient airflow. The impressive battery life is also a huge plus for those that don't want to worry about charging it every day. Enjoy the benefits of low-noise bladeless technology, making it ideal for quiet environments. Lightweight and USB-powered, it's the perfect choice for staying cool on the go. Embrace comfort with the portable neck fan and beat the heat effortlessly wherever you are. Number 6. Black Plus Decker Comfort Pock Neck Fan. This wearable device isn't exactly a neck fan, but you can wear it pretty much anywhere to help you regulate body temperature just the same. Instead of using a fan, the Comfort Pock relies on cooling or heating a stainless steel plate that makes direct contact with your body. You can wear it around your neck or place that plate on your wrists or face as needed. Plus, with the option for warming, this nifty gadget is great for year-round use. Control your comfort. This innovative wearable device offers 3 warming temperatures and 3 cooling levels for thermal relief. Whether you need to warm up or cool down, the Comfort Pock has you covered. Instant effects, you'll immediately feel changes in the device's surface temperature. Say goodbye to waiting for relief, this device acts swiftly to provide comfort. Wearable design, the Comfort Pock fits easily into the included 360 degrees lanyard, which can be worn in different ways. Drape it around your neck or position it on the front of your chest to target specific areas of your body. Number 7. Vegao Wearable Neck Fan. If you've never tried a wearable neck fan and want to give it a shot for as little money as possible, try this Vegao option. For about $16 at the time of this writing, you can experience an all-day breeze on your neck. The stand-up design can even work as a small desk fan in a pinch. For the cost, it has a pretty decent battery life, maxing out at 10 hours on the lowest setting. Keep in mind that this one isn't bladeless, so if you have long hair, make sure to tie it up before you put this on. The mini neck fan rotates 360 degrees, allowing you to adjust to any different orientation to cover your face, neck, shoulders and chest. You can bend the legs of the neck fan to suit your needs, whether you have a small or wide neck. It gives you an extraordinarily cool and comfortable experience from all sides. Enjoy the outdoor reading while keeping cool with Vegao Portable Neck Fan, that's lightweight, travel-friendly, and makes it easy to relax even when the heat starts to rise. Number 8. AmaCool Bladeless Neck Fan. A neck fan is an ingenious solution for on-the-spot cooling, but if it doesn't feel comfortable on your neck, you're not going to wear it. AmaCool's bladeless neck fan was designed from silicone to be adjustable so that the neck band can fit everyone from a child to an adult with a large neck. At 5,000 mAh, the battery is powerful for a neck fan. This device features 2 motors that power 4 speeds, including an energy-saving mode. It can also provide up to 9 hours of cooling, depending on the fan speed, from its 60 air vents. You can also use it with a stroller. Its ergonomic neckband design offers a comfortable fit, allowing you to enjoy cool airflow wherever you go. Whether you're working in the kitchen, relaxing in the garden, or on the go, the AmaCool bladeless neck fan delivers refreshing breeze without the hassle of traditional fans.